So here's how to fix Counter-Strike 2 lag, ping, and packet loss issues. So first what you're going to do is right click on the Windows logo, and then you can either open the terminal as admin for Windows 11, or you can search for CMD and right click and run it as admin, which is pretty much the same. And in here we want to run few commands. First one is ipconfig /release, and then ipconfig /renew, press enter, and then ipconfig /flush DNS, and then press enter. And the last command is netsh int ip reset, and then press enter and wait for it. And if you want to, you can also run netsh winsock reset, press enter. And after this, you will need to reboot your computer and close this. Now, once you reboot your computer, you want to right click on the Windows logo again, go to settings, and then go to system section, and then display, and scroll all the way down to graphics. Now click on graphics and make sure Counter-Strike 2 is in this list. Now if it's not, you can click on add desktop app and navigate to the installation folder, which is usually in Steam. Go to Steam and then Steam apps folder, and then common, and you should find the game in here. Then select it. Now once it's added to this list, you can click on the drop down and make sure the GPU preference is set to high performance. By default it should be let Windows decide, but you want to change it. And then disable optimization for windowed games. If it's checked, you need to disable it. Then you can simply close this. And now you'll simply need to open your Steam and then run Counter-Strike 2. And then once in game, you want to change the settings by going to the settings menu, game section. And then there is an option to change the buffering to smooth over packet loss. So you want to choose from none to 1 packet or 2 packets if you're experiencing packet loss. Now, another solution is to use an external software to improve the ping and packet loss. So for example, this one right here, there is a link in the description for it. So you can download and try a free trial to test it. It works pretty much with all the popular games as they keep adding new games. So you can create an account and test it to see if that improves your ping. It should generally reduce your ping by 20 to 30% from your original ping. So it's easy to use. We'll just need to pick a server which is pretty close to you and pretty close to the server you playing on. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.